है वैक्सीन में? सब अभी कोविड-19 कोरोना के वैक्सीन ढूंढ रहे हैं, है ना? So let's start with a very interesting topic. Vaccine is a very effective way to prevent spread of communicable disease, to protect ourselves from diseases. So let's see. Children, vaccines are made up of weak or dead germs. Okay, and then they are injected. Can you see? Then the weak or the dead germs are injected to the person. They can also be given orally. As you can see, it can be given orally also. So what do vaccine do? Vaccine produces, when the vaccine enters our body, what happens is our body produces certain substances which helps us to fight against the disease. As a result, our immunity increases. Okay, what vaccine do? When vaccine enters our body produces certain substances which are capable to fight against the germs of the disease. As a result, our immunity increases. This is how vaccine helps us against the disease. The some common examples of vaccines are hepatitis. Okay, in hepatitis the liver is infected. Vaccine against tuberculosis is also there. In tuberculosis the lungs get infected. Measles, mumps, rubella, all these are diseases against which vaccines are there. Some common vaccines which are given to children are polio vaccine. It is given orally, as you can see, DPT. DPT stands for diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus. D for diphtheria, P for pertussis, T for tetanus. This is very important, children, to remember the full form of these vaccines. Then comes MMR. M stands for measles, second R stands for mumps, R stands for rubella. These are diseases against which vaccines are given to children. The next topic is hygiene. Now what is hygiene? Hygiene are good habits, okay, which leads to cleanliness and good health. If we keep hygiene, we will have a good health. So let's see. We should follow some good habits, okay? So what are those good habits? The first one is we should wash our hands with soap and water. With soap and water. Not only with water. Sometimes children are in very hurry. They wash only with water. No, you should use soap also. Before eating food and after going to toilet. We eat with our hands, right? और अगर हमारे हाथ गंदे होंगे तो सारी गंदगी हमारे खाने में आ जाएगी और सारे germs जो होंगे वो हमारे स्टमक में चले जाएंगे. And then what will happen? The germs will do party in our stomach. Let's see the second habit. We should bath daily. Third, we should brush our teeth twice daily, in the morning and before going to sleep in the night. It is very important. At night we should brush our teeth, okay? Because whole night what is happening? Our mouth is closed, है ना? और अगर वहाँ पर food रह जाएगा तो germs will attack. So at night we should brush our teeth. It is very important. We should cut our nails regularly under an adult supervision. cut our nails regularly. Fix a day in a week for cutting your nails. If you don't cut your nails, what will happen? Germs will get accumulated inside the nails. Kitchen floor, toilet and bathroom should be cleaned regularly with disinfectants regularly. What are disinfectants? They kill all the germs and microorganisms present in the floor, toilet, etc. The next one is our food should be covered properly. I know your mother might be covering your food properly, but हम क्या करते हैं? हमने खाना लिया और हम उसको वापस से नहीं रखते, वापस से उसे नहीं ढकते. ऐसा आप लोग करते होंगे. बेटा, you should cover your food after eating it, okay? So maintain this thing. We should keep our surrounding clean. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, okay? Don't throw kachra here and there, okay? Respect our earth. Our earth is, what do we call our earth? Our mother earth, है ना? हम उसे धरती माँ कहते हैं. तो क्या हम हमारी मम्मी को गंदा करते कभी? नहीं करते ना? We should respect it. We should respect our mother earth. So don't throw garbage here and there. Instead, children, I will say you that if you see garbage here and there, pick it up and put it in the dustbin. Dustbin should be covered. Okay? If the dustbin